Welcome to NorthStar. A company has accumulated data for the last 24 months in order to determine if there is an independent variable that could be used to estimate shipping cost. Three possible independent variables being considered are packages shipped, miles shipped, and pounds shipped. The quantitative technique that should be used to determine whether any of the independent variables might provide a good estimate for shipping cost. This can be solved using regression analysis. Under regression analysis, there are two regression analysis. One is called simple regression analysis and multiple regression analysis. If there are more than one independent, then we use multiple regression analysis to calculate the total cost of dependence here. Here the dependence is the shipping cost and the independent variables are the three factors: the packages shipped, the mile shipped, and the pound shipped. It can be solved using linear regression. Let's look at option flexible budgeting. Definitely an incorrect option, irrelevant here. Linear programming you will be learning separately. So that is also an incorrect because linear programming is used for certain other things altogether. So the correct option is linear regression, option number C. Variable cost is also an incorrect option here. Thank you.